Hey, what's up, YouTube? So tonight I'm going riding at Mcintosh Run and like around Halifax with a couple buddies. It's gonna be like the first long run I do with the Commensal Meta Power. I didn't really test it yet. Anyways, I didn't take it to like bike parks or whatever. It's just like the local trails with my daughter. So I maybe put like 40 kilometers on it. So far I'm liking it, but I think I'll get to see like how much I really like it tonight, just because it's gonna be a longer run and it's like a lot of like up downs, but like short climbs and short descents. So I think that's like where the e-bikes kind of shine more. Anyways, so I'll get padded up, meet up with the guys, and then I'll see you on the trail. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's way different. Yeah, white bars. Alright, so this is Gord's Gold, first time doing it. At least like do a run in, see how it feels, and then that's fine.
My pads are getting low too.
There's a big slab here. Whoa, that's sick. Nice. Is the bike good? I think it's just a rock that pinched off. Oh. Nah, he's fine. Be sick if they had berms through here. What's that? Yeah. Ugh. YouTube, so yeah, so this is gonna be it for the day. So we just made it to the truck when it started downpouring. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. The next one will be this weekend. We're gonna go check out the work they did at Wentworth, and then yeah, that's gonna be the last ride, I guess, like after Wentworth in Nova Scotia, like I'm moving back to Quebec at the end of June. Anyways, so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.